Today we're here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. We're going to be previewing the community Novi by KB Homes, and we're specifically going to be looking at the plan 2069, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you're new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on buying, moving, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Hey, welcome everyone. Today is August 6th, 2025, and today we're here at Novi by KB Homes here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. Just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're right off of Valley View and Silverado Ranch. So great area here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. We're about 15 minutes from the Las Vegas airport as well as the Strip. So if you're looking for like a community kind of close to the airport and the Strip, easy access, I mean, I think this community is great. Also too, again, Southwest is always really popular. We have Blue Diamond close by. You're gonna have Target. You're gonna have a gym close by. Plenty of restaurants in the area, like on Rainbow. So definitely a great area. So I'll have the floor plans on the screen for you. Now they offer 6 different floor plans here. Only one single story floor plan, which is their smallest floor plan. It's gonna be 1203 square feet. But all the other floor plans, the 5 of them, larger ones are gonna be 2-story floor plans. Okay, now all these homes are going to range from about $424,990 all the way up to $499,990. Now when you look at those base prices, just know those are just base prices. They don't include your lot premium, they don't include your upgrades. Okay, now here at this community, upgrades, lot premiums can range from I'm seeing as of today, there's some that are $5,000, there's some that are $15,000. So it could definitely change. They still have a couple of large lots that they're going to release later. So I'm guessing those lot premiums are going to be more. Upgrades, usually buyers are putting anywhere between like 8 to 10% of the base price as far as like upgrades. Okay, so you do the math. So it's the base price plus the lot premium plus the upgrades. Now here at KB, they're doing mainly building from ground up, right? They tend to focus on that buyer experience of buyers choosing their lot, picking out your upgrades, and then it's about a 5 to 6 month build time. So most of the lots are going to be like that. They do have a few quick move-in ones in case a buyer wants to get in fairly soon. Oh, the average lot square feet for these homes, you're looking at about 3,500 to 4,000 square feet. Okay, so most of the lots are going to be run between those lot square footage. They do have a few lots that are 5,000 square feet, and they do have some that are about 7,000. Okay, now this community also is going to have 210 homes. Now the HOA here is $70 per month. It is not gated. What the $70 is going to include is going to include just the maintenance of the neighborhood. Okay, but yeah, no, I think that's about it. Let's get started with this tour. Welcome to the plan 2069. Now this is 2069 square feet, 2-story, 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, and the base price as of today, which is August 6th, 2025, is $471,990. Now just remember that base prices are subject to change. The more homes that they sell, they usually increase the price. Now also too, if you're building from ground up, you could choose between 3 different elevations. Now the elevations is just how the exterior looks. Okay, so some of the window placements might be different. You might have more brick on the exterior, but yeah, that's what the elevation, and depending on what elevation you choose, the base price is different. Okay, the paver driveway is included. Also the desert landscaping is included. The only thing that's not going to be included as far as landscaping is your backyard. You have a year to do your backyard after you move into your house. So yeah, let's check it out. Now also too, if you're thinking about visiting a new construction community for your very first time, Do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit and help you out with the process. Now, if you have a realtor, that's okay too. Just please make sure your realtor goes with you. Just don't go by yourself, guys, because the second you go by yourself, the builder agent's gonna ask for your name, your phone number, and email. And once they have all that information, they're gonna log you in their system as having no representation. And you definitely want representation because the builders look after the builder's best. The builder agents look after the builder's best interest, and we look after your best interest, okay? So we negotiate for you, we hold the builders accountable. And if you're worried about buyer agent compensation, don't even worry about that because we also collect that from the builders as well, okay? Even if you're interested in resale homes, easily able to have the sellers pay for that, no problem. But yeah, welcome in. This is like the main living area. So you have your kitchen, your living room, and your dining room, okay? Now here, it looks like we do have the standard 8-foot ceilings. I know it's kind of hard to tell on video, but yeah, you could upgrade the ceilings to a 9 feet ceilings, which I would recommend, okay? Looks like they didn't put too many upgrades into this floor plan, but KB always does that. They always have like one of the models very light on upgrades just so you could kind of get an idea. For example, this flooring right here, this is the 17 by 17 ceramic tile. Now you would get this standard, it would be in the wet area. So it'd be in the kitchen, the bathroom, the laundry room, and the entryway. And then you have carpet all throughout, okay? But most buyers, they don't want carpet on the first floor. So they'll extend out the standard flooring, or they'll put like a vinyl plank or some type of tile. Okay, also this material right here for the countertop, this is upgraded in the kitchen if you'd like. This is like the level 1 quartz. Now this material is standard in the bathrooms, but it is an upgrade for the kitchen. Okay. Also, we got the stainless steel undermount sink. That is optional. Okay, these appliances here are standard. The Whirlpool appliance package, microwave, oven, dishwasher. Now the refrigerator, washer, and dryer is not included with KB homes. Wow, okay. So yeah, this floor plan out of the 3 actually has the largest pantry for sure. Nice little walk-in pantry. Okay, so you're getting plenty of light. You have all these windows to the sides. You got these ones in the back, the slider here. Okay, so this is going to be your dining room. You'll have your thermostat down here. You'll have another one upstairs to control the temperature upstairs. But also too, this is letting you know that KB is pretty energy efficient. Okay, I think a lot of new construction builders, they are energy efficient. I mean, they're gonna have they're gonna build the homes using better material. So yeah, that's another pro about buying a new construction home. So down here, we're gonna have the powder room, and I love that the powder room is actually all the way in the corner. It's all by itself, right? So I know anybody could appreciate that. Okay, so you got your pedestal sink. And then right over here, you're gonna have 2 doors. So it looks like we have a linen closet. This one, you're gonna have a coat closet. Okay. So you can take a look at the backyard. So again, the average lot square feet for most of these homes are going to be about 3,500 to 4,000 square feet. That's going to be a majority of their lots. They do have some lots that are going to be 5,000 and some lots that are 7,000 square feet. But I feel like in order to land those, it's going to depend on timing of like when you get in with KB, because the construction, they kind of, they'll build a certain direction throughout the community. So, if you want the 7,000 square feet lots, you just would have to land on the time that they're releasing those ones. But in case you're interested, just let me know, and I'll definitely update you. Okay, cool. So we'll head up to the second floor. All right, so this is the door to the garage, actually. Okay, which is locked. And also too, in case you're wondering what's upgraded in this model house, feel free to pause the video. You can refer to that later. Okay, so no landing step here. It's just one straight through shot to this second floor. Okay. So welcome. This is the second floor. So you have this nice loft right here. You're gonna have your laundry room, and then you'll have your primary bedroom. But something that is nice is the bedrooms here are kind of separated from the primary bedroom, which is nice. Okay, so this is not the primary bath, but the full bath that these guest bedrooms are going to use. So this is standard. What you're seeing here, it's only going to come with one sink, right? This is the standard sink as well. It's the drop-in sink, and then this is also the standard Moen faucet. Okay. So if you don't like this look, then most likely you're going to upgrade. Okay, most people like to upgrade to a second sink as well. But yeah, this shower tub is included, as well as these fixtures here. Those are all included. Okay, so if you want to keep your costs down, you could just use what you are seeing right now. All right, so we got 3 bedrooms. Bedroom number 1. So all these bedrooms feel like a 10 by 10 bedroom. Okay, that's going to be a twin size bed. Okay, so we have this bedroom here. Okay, looks like this one has a walk-in closet, which is nice. Okay, this one. Too nice. Nice bedroom. Right, yeah, amazing loft, good size loft. So again, the washer and dryer will not be included. You got your smart panel box. That's how you'd connect your internet router and your modem. Okay, here's your space for your linens. Okay, so we got your primary bedroom. Plenty of space. You got the king size bed. So welcome to the primary bath. So this is the standard bath configuration. In case you're wondering, you're gonna have like this door to the for your linens, and then you'll have one shower tub combo right here, right? So if you want to upgrade, if this is not the option that you like, you could have a larger walk-in shower, or you could have a separate tub and a separate walk-in shower. But yeah, everything that you're seeing here again, even with the cabinets and the countertop. So the drop-in sink, that countertop, cabinets, that is all standard. Even these doors right here, this is the standard doors, as well as these knobs. Okay, so you got your toilet room. All right, and then we got your walk-in closet. Cool, we have attic access up there as well. All right, that wraps it up for the Plan 2069. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching. I will catch you on the next one.